My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware that is called Cnffvhv. This particular ransomware is called like that because it encrypts the files and then adds a special extension to the files, which is called Cnffvhv. Before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no problems opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But unfortunately, pretty soon customers realize that something bad has occurred with their files and that they cannot use their files anymore. This particular ransomware encrypts the files and then adds this special extension to the files. When you try to open this specific file, you get the message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the extension Cnffvhv. No matter what file you attempt to open, it gets encrypted, and it has got this extension Cnffvhv. The point is that removing this extension does not fix the issue. It does not decrypt the files. The files are still encrypted. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. It also gives this README file, puts it on the desktop, and also indicates these scary messages claiming that your files are encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom for their restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored. So please do not pay the ransom. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the task manager of your computer, look for suspicious processes, and terminate them if you find them. Also, we recommend you to scan your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, which will help you to detect and delete this particular ransomware effectively. Get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this special green button to download the software, install it, and then start researching and investigating your computer. Initially, the program will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will most likely update its antivirus database for proper malware and ransomware detection and removal. Then it will begin scanning your system. While the scanning is taking place, you may research the settings of Combo Cleaner. You'll pay attention to the fact that there is a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But remember that this feature is the part of the premium license only. So, at the end of the scanning, the program Combo Cleaner will give you the full summary of the threats that were revealed during the scan. Some threats that will be found are related to this ransomware, whereas some threats are related to certain browser-related issues. For instance, there may be certain adware or browser hijacking extension. All these threats will be effectively detected by Combo Cleaner. So you will see the summary of these threats at the end of the scan. You'll be able to know their exact location and the name of the threat. We strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to remove these threats altogether automatically, and this way your system will always be protected in the future.